शक्ल में तो जाना ही बस बंदा 22 घंटे से सोया नहीं. Anyway, welcome back to the channel everyone. My name is Alvin Sylvester and welcome to my space. So we're going today, me alone are going today for an off-road trail at Tungareshwar. Bikes all ready. क्या किया मैंने रिकॉर्डिंग चालू किया. एक्शन कैमरा बंद ही था. मतलब महान आदमी है ना अपन मतलब महान आदमी है. राजस्थान के बाद ये जैकेट वैकेट पहन के निकले एंड इट फील्स सो गुड मैन. फील्स सो गुड टू वेयर द जैकेट. मेन पर्पस टुडे इज प्रैक्टिस ऑफ-रोडिंग. सरप्राइजिंगली नो ट्रैफिक एट गुड़बंदर. भाई क्या हो गया. 90% ऑफ द टाइम्स द ट्रैफिक रहता ही है. अगर ट्रैफिक नहीं है इधर गुड़बंदर में दैट मीन्स यू नॉट ट्रैवल्ड पोस्ट आफ्टर यू नॉट ट्रैवल्ड आफ्टर द रोड. We have to wait at least. Hey, there's a doggy in the car. There's a doggy in the car. I don't know if you can see. Can you see now? The lab, the cute lab staring right at me, staring at my soul. See, bye. Cute. There's only two chances. दो डंडी है ना इससे पे. तो सीधा जाने का तुंगरेश्वर रहता है. यहाँ से ऑफ-रोड शुरू and my terrain begins from here. This is what I came here for. There you go. Definitely, we have another mountain there. Have nothing. What's up, bro? There you go. Another pond out here, which is just beautiful. Okay. I did it! Yes! Ooh. Oh, there's a rickshaw going off-road. Why can't scooties go? It's been like eons for an off-road this good. That skid. Oh, that skid was good. I think I have to raise my handlebars a little bit. The thing is, I have to bend a little bit for this. Bro, if rickshaws can't come here, then this is the... I'll be taking up there, man. So, Tungareshwar, that is the main mandir there. But I'll be not going there. I'll be going way up to the top. And that is another view to watch. What's your name?
I'm Ganesh.
Alvin.
Yeah, Albert.
Nice to meet you, man.
Thank you, man.
This is the new version, right? ABS?
Yeah. I got it some 6 months back. Yeah.
Nice. How is it?
It's okay.
The main purpose is off-road, man. Off-road. Uske baad highway is like okay, 110, 120.
It's okay.
The off-road is the main thing. See you on top. Yay! Peace! Then as an expert, the new expert. उठा लोगे? उठा लोगे?
नहीं उठा ले.
I hate gravel, man. I hate these big rocks. I'm just taking a beating. There's another tire called, I guess this is Pirelli Scorpion Rally. अरे बाप रे, हम कैसे निकालेंगे? As I was saying, Pirelli Scorpion Rally RT or ST or so I'm thinking to upgrade to that. This is the normal C8 tires, which is not bad at all, but 10,000 kilometers and 12,000 kilometers and it's done. It's already starting to deteriorate. It's losing its grip. You gotta see the view. Place where I am right now. I've met another guy who has Himalayan, this 2019 version, I guess.
Yeah.
ABS version. His name is Ganesh. So how is this place?
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I've never been here. I mean, I've come halfway on this road. I've never been to the top. But I used to come in my bicycle, right? So I didn't have, a motor under me. But this is good.
So I met him down. So I told him, let's go up, man. I met him down. So, hey, bhai, there's more to see. There's a mandir there on top.
Oh, there is.
Chota sa mandir hai, but I don't know if cameras are allowed there. But I'll see. Look at the. तो देखो नॉट अभी तक पहुंचे नहीं ऊपर पर अनफॉर्चुनेटली इट्स क्लोज. नहीं मैं खुद का ले रहा हूँ, मैं उसका नहीं ले रहा हूँ. पता है मेरे को इधर अलाउड नहीं है. So we are not supposed to shoot the mandir, but we can shoot ourselves. Unfortunately, it is closed. But So we're saying bye now. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
I'll tag you in Instagram. I'll put the link. I'll put his Instagram ID in the description below.
Yeah.
Or on the screen, on the left or right.
Absolutely.
Follow him. Karo.
Keep traveling. Follow Alvin as well.
अरे thanks. चलो see you, bro.
Have fun, man. See you.
चलो घर पे.
Bye bye.
Such a nice guy. चलो भाई घर पे अच्छा घरी. GoPro में बैटरी बहुत कम है. एक डंडी 2 डंडी है पर एक डंडी का काम करता है. now let's see कितना चल जाता है. देखो व्यू देखो आए. What are you doing? Rosk. Time to leave. What a ride, man. These gloves are really nice and very comfortable and very nice on the inside as well. यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया वहाँ पे एंड नहीं करेंगे. देन अभी बाकी है. There's a lot of stuff to do. देखते हैं शाम को क्या है. I want to buy myself a white sneakers, so I might go इधर. Let's see. घर पे आता हूँ. Have some chai. I have not found what I'm looking for. So people, जो लेना था वो लिया नहीं और कुछ और ही ले लिया. Let's see. क्या what a day it was. यार क्या दिन था. लाइक मॉर्निंग वाज लाइक ऑफ-रोड बाइक को क्या पटकाया मैंने हिमालय को. कितना पटकाया ऊपर बट नो कंप्लेन एट ऑल. लेटर आफ्टर द डे मेरे को वाइट स्नीकर्स चाहिए था कैसे भी करके. मिल रहा नहीं था पर वाइट स्नीकर्स लाया नहीं कुछ और ही लाया मैंने. एनीवे दिस विल बी द एंड ऑफ द 4th vlog. It's going good. I'm getting confident talking to the camera. So comment. What do you feel about this vlog? Like, share, subscribe, whatever you all want to do it. Just give me some positive, some critics, you know, some pointers to do this करने ये try कर वो try कर ऐसे कोई. Anyway, this will come out in the later half of this week. This is the end of the vlog. I'll see you. को end करने के लिए सोचना पड़ेगा क्या मतलब क्या एक sentence सोचना पड़ेगा. Love and peace. Have a wonderful Christmas holidays. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Let's see when is it now.